Alright, so hey,
Hello.
today's class we are going to be learning about speculation and prediction. Now repeat after me.
Speculation and prediction.
Prediction. Alright, and so can you tell me what this word means?
Prediction is something that it might happen.
Mm-hmm.
Speculation, no.
Alright, so speculation is something that you think may or may not happen. You're kind of still thinking about it, but there's not really a reason to it. Or like there is, but it's not too clear. So one example could be, we don't have a lot of money right now, so we might not go on the vacation. Even though you don't have a lot of money, that doesn't necessarily mean you won't go on a vacation, but you still could. Whereas, prediction, as you said, it's what you think might happen. But this is because you have a lot of information or certain information that leads you to think that it'll happen. So if I buy that camera, I will use it to take pictures. A camera is used for pictures, to take pictures, so henceforth, a prediction. You're going to use it on vacation. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions? Alright, so I'm going to show you a short clip, and I want you to kind of take in the scenery, listen to the sounds that it makes. Alright, so what did you think of the clip?
Sounds like a scary movie.
Sounds like a scary movie.
Because of the sounds and the girl screaming, like she had the evil.
So what do you predict will happen?
Well, whenever the father goes in there and start praying for her, she's gonna start to throw objects on him, and she's gonna try to hurt him.
And so what makes you think that?
Because the way she sounds, screaming, like she has the evil.
Alright, so we're gonna watch the rest of the clip. Alright, so do you think your prediction kind of came true?
It kind of is. And it sounds the way they throw the door and the way that he got scared.
So you were right, you heard a girl screaming even though you didn't see her. Now that's a good prediction because of the sounds that you heard. It sounded like a girl. And it kind of does look like it's in a scary movie because the girl is on the ceiling. So what do you think will happen next?
Gonna start hurting him.
You think it's gonna hurt him? Alright. Alright, so after that clip, what do you think?
Surprise.
You're
I
surprised?
expect more. I thought that was a movie, scary movie. Because of the way it sounds, the girl sounds, the house looks so spooky, and also the way the father entered to the house is kind of dark, and
Yeah.
one of the guys is praying.
So what you predicted was that you thought the pastor was gonna actually get hurt. Your first prediction was right because you heard a girl screaming, and it ended up being the girl screaming on the wall. And what you did was you speculated, you thought it was going to be a movie or a scene from a movie. And what did it end up being?
A commercial for the vacuum. To see how strong is the vacuum.
Correct. Exactly. So do you kind of understand what speculation and prediction is?
Yes.
Are there any questions over it?
No.
No?
No.
All right. Well, that'll be the end of the class.